Approved listings in DijjiReport are used to create reports where cost dollars, margins, and other cost-related metrics can be shown. They also provide a method to filter the locations and items that will appear in a saved report. For example, when creating a saved report, you can select one or more approved lists you have previously created. This will then allow only sales for the specific items and locations in those lists to be shown in the results for the saved report each time it is run. In this sample approved listing, you will see that it includes 6 attributes for each item. Those are item number, description, description to, geography, cost, and retail. This structure allows us to provide multiple geographies, costs, and retails for each item. Thankfully, the application simplifies that process by assisting users in creating templates in which to capture and import the necessary data. To create a template, simply click the Add Approved Listing button here. This will open a pop-up where you enter the name for your list. It also provides a drop-down so that you can assign the target geographic grouping to be used in the list. Geography choices available will be those groupings included in the location list for the entity or retailer being used. We will not cover that element at this time, but that list can be found here under the Foundation and then Locations. For our approved listing example, we will select State for our geography, which again is visible because we included that attribute in our Locations listing. Simply click the checkboxes beside each element you wish to include in your DijjiReport approved listing. We will choose Texas and Arkansas for this example. Once you have all your selections made, click the Submit button. This will prompt you to open or save an Excel spreadsheet. We will click to open so we can immediately begin to populate the required information. In this file, you will find that there are fields for item number and item descriptions. Also, there are columns for both cost and retail for each item in each of the geographic groupings you selected. In this case, we find Texas and Arkansas, since those are the choices we made when creating the template. Now simply complete the template, being sure to include each item that will be a part of the program. Once you have completed and saved this file, go back to the Approved Listing screen and select Import. Navigate to the file on your computer and select Open to start the upload. That's all there is to it. All your latest information is now in the application and will ensure calculations and data are correct in all the screens and reports affected. Want to know a very important time-saving tip? Once you have uploaded an approved listing for the first time, you can then export it to use it as a template starting point to make additions, revisions, or deletions rather than creating a completely new spreadsheet template every time. You'll find that makes ongoing maintenance of this data extremely quick and easy. Here's an example as a quick demonstration. You will see that all the necessary columns are present and the values contained can be easily edited. You can also add cost and retail columns for new geographies. Just follow the existing arrangement and structure of the template when adding your columns. And be sure to enter the appropriate column headers by following the naming conventions being used in other columns. Once all additions are made and values entered, the file can then be re-imported into the system to update the program. Go back and make sure your additions follow the existing column structure and naming conventions if you have errors. We hope this information helps you make the most of your DijjiReport subscription. Please contact us if you have any unanswered questions so we can ensure DijjiReport is a product your company will truly love with the information it truly needs.